Okay, full disclosure, I have a tiny little kitchen and I film all of my tutorials in this limited area. And the reason why, this is the only place where I have any decent lighting and a workspace. But when I want to take beauty shots of my products, it makes it a little tricky because I want to set up my replica surfaces here, but the counter depth is really shallow. So this is what I would have to do. I would have to open up my cabinets, set up my surfaces here, and as you can see, most of the surface is hanging off the countertop. But luckily, there's smart people out there who solve all of my problems, and I'm going to show you what I got from Replica Services so that I no longer have to do this janky setup here. Look at this. Dun, 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 dun. It's the Replica Surface Studio. So you have the setup where you can put the bottom, a backing, have this little cart, it swivels. I was easily able to find me some good light, and it comes with this really sturdy adjustable base. It's got locking wheels here, and this adjusts up and down. And then, if I want to add a third side for a corner, I just slip another surface in here. Then I just add one of the brackets at the top. This has made my life so much easier. I can find all of the light that I need. I'm in love.
Where are you going?
I'm going to find some different light.